Swords are fast weapons which require skill. Well,
All right there. Don't worry. You're more than welcome here. It's not a trap. We ain't mad at you for defeating Saker or nothing. In fact, you did us a big favour. Me and the boys decided that instead of waylaying travellers, which was just as hard on us as them, we could provide a place for them to hang out, you know, maybe do a bit of shopping. Have a look. Eh? Eh? We've got all the facilities for your outdoor recreation needs. Bungalows for rent, aren't they pretty? With washing and cooking space. Well-stocked stalls with friendly vendors and low, low prices. Well, we'll start with what I call introductory offers. Once we've got them hooked, then we can ramp things up. A beer garden with no dress code and dogs allowed. The shooting range, my idea. Thought it was going to be loads of fun watching folk plugging down their targets and that. You know, the roar of gunfire, the smell of cordite. Young lads winning exciting prizes for their ladies. Anyway, look around at your leisure and don't be afraid to spend some cash.
I can help you find what you're looking for. Step one. Pull your head out your ass.
You'll win something. Or you could... Welcome to Lemmy's shooting range. The game everyone's talking about. Mostly me. Advertising, very important, you know. Go on, have a punt. I see all kinds. All right, here's the rules. Shoot everything. Do it fast. Think you can remember all that? Oh, and headshots score more. And the better the score, the better the prize. Good luck for what it's worth, which is nothing. Ready? Go! Yep. Well, winning is everything. Hey, what you gonna do? Hit. Not everyone's a dead. No one's out there. Idea is to hit them. Hey, what you gonna do? Hey, what you gonna do? You been drinking? If not, you might try it. Couldn't hurt. If not, you might try it. Couldn't hurt. Might want to aim or something. You've been drinking. If not, you might try it. Couldn't hurt. Yep. Oh, did you miss? That'll put you out of alignment. Maybe you just don't shoot very well. Winning isn't everything. Well, winning isn't everything. That could be out of alignment. Or maybe you just don't shoot very well. Oh, yes. Not everyone's a dead eye. In fact, no one is out here. The idea is to hit them. Just saying, hey, what you gonna do? Might want to aim. You'll be thinking. If not, you might try it. Couldn't hurt. Hit them. Just saying. All right, that was a good one. battle could be out of alignment. Or maybe you just don't shoot. Hey, what you gonna do? Yep. Not everyone's a dick. In fact, no one is. Hey, what you gonna do? Yep. Not everyone's a dick. In fact, no one is here. Oh. If not, you might try it. Don't take your eye off the, no, whatever. It's what we've all been waiting for. Someone finally got the money shot. Hone those shooting skills. See if you could win yourself a fabulous prize. Although the smart money's on no.
Oh, no, you really made me mad!
The Black Dragon may be the most fearsome weapon in all of Albion. Of course, I don't fear it. Not at all.
Ah, hello. The armory is at your disposal.